In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install a shower head in 60 seconds with no tools. Coming up next. Hi everybody, I'm Leah of seejanedrill, and if this is your first time here, can I just say welcome to you. We're a home improvement channel where beginners are welcome as well. Now at the top of the video, I talked about this here. It's a shower head with the handheld combo, and it installs in 60 seconds with no tools. But the thing that really intrigued me was the fact that it filters the water as well. And that really drew me in and made me want to purchase this shower head. Check this out. Filtered water shower heads, they're designed to remove impurities like, chlorine and heavy metals and sediment from your water. And if you've got hard water, well, you certainly don't want those deposits on your skin or in your hair. So let's get this thing installed and let's find out if it really can be installed in 60 seconds. First, you want to remove the old shower head, and as you can see, mine is unscrewing very easily by hand. Now, even though this is a no tools install, the old shower head may need a little help being removed, especially if it's been up for a while or it has a buildup of mineral deposits. You'll want to use a pipe wrench and an adjustable wrench, but just make certain that you use a paper towel or a cloth on the chrome as you remove it. Once you remove the old shower head, it's time to install the new shower head, and that's what this is right here. Now, what I'm going to do is there's a little protective cap here that needs to be removed. It's there to protect the internal threads, washer, and the internal screen. Interestingly enough, they provide plumber's tape. That's what this is here. However, they direct you not to use plumber's tape because their shower head seals watertight and it's unnecessary. However, in the event that the shower head does leak, they've provided plumber's tape just in case. Now when we thread it on, you want to make certain that you don't cross thread. There we go. Now we want this part face down. So I'm going to give it a good spin. There we go. Now that the shower head is installed, it's time to install the shower hose. So we've got our washer here on the end. It looks like there are washers at both ends, and they also provide a spare washer if you need it. But it's just ready to go. We're just going to go ahead and screw it in. And we just want to do this hand tight, folks. That's it. This right here is called a flow restrictor, and it's intended to conserve water. However, if you've got low water pressure, you may want to remove it, and it just pops right on out because you want your shower head to perform in the way it's intended. However, if you don't have low water pressure, you may want to keep it in place. It really just boils down to personal preference. Now it's time to install the hose to the shower head itself. Just screw it in. You want to make certain that you don't cross thread, and we want it again hand tight. That's good. Our shower head is installed. Let's give it a try. You have the option of using the fixed shower head, the handheld shower head, or you can use them both at the same time. The handheld shower head, it's got several different settings. Now this button here controls the downward flow or the upward flow of the water. Let me show you what I mean. So it squirts out the top, or for a nice, strong, steady flow from the main section of the shower head. Now there are also other adjustments. I'll place a link in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. It didn't take a minute to install, but it was pretty doggone close. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.